Hi class. This video is intended to show you how to complete the SPSS computer lab assignments using training videos which I have pre-recorded using screen capture software. In this video, you're going to learn why are we moving to video-based instruction for the SPSS labs. You'll learn suggestions for effective completion of the labs and procedures for submitting your lab assignments using Jupyter grades. If you've already participated in one of our face-to-face SPSS labs, you're well aware of some of the difficulties presented by teaching and learning in that format. For many students, the screen is hard to see because SPSS is not designed for presentation. Students in the back have difficulty hearing me. Students who come late miss key instructions for getting started. Sometimes I must stop the entire lesson to help one or more students catch up. And some students have difficulty completing the lab in the specified time frame. These difficulties will be addressed by using recorded training videos. Specifically, you will be able to see and hear my instruction much more clearly as I indicate what steps, commands, and mouse clicks are needed in SPSS to perform the desired analysis. You will be able to pause, speed up, or slow down the instruction to suit your immediate learning needs. Finally, you'll be able to complete the assignment at a time that is convenient for you rather than doing the assignment at a prescribed time for a prescribed duration. The one disadvantage of this video-based training is that the opportunity for immediate feedback or answers to your questions is different than in a face-to-face setting. However, you will still be able to email me questions and I will respond within 24 hours. I believe the advantages of video-based SPSS training outweigh the negatives. After 2 lab sessions in this new format, you will be given the opportunity to indicate your preference. Now, let's take a look at the actual process of completing an SPSS lab. Suggestions for effective completion of labs are that you'll receive the lab assignment and it will contain a link to the training video. You will go to the computer lab, be sure to bring headphones, watch the video in full, perform the lab, and save and submit. Now, I'm going to step out of this presentation for a moment and walk us through those steps exactly. Each week, I'll send you the assignment, and the assignment will have a link to the video. We'll also have instructions for how to save the output, the data, and the assignment itself. It will have the assignment, and you should read through the assignment, getting a sense of what you're trying to accomplish. Then, watch the video. Here I have the video open. And now I've turned the sound off for this portion, but you can see that I am showing you how to complete the assignment, the commands to enter, and if I had the video on, you would hear my instructions. Note that you can come to the settings over here and slow down or speed up the video depending upon your need. Going slow is useful when you're trying to perform the same analyses or the same steps in SPSS yourself. Going faster is useful for whenever you already know what I'm explaining and you just want to get to the next part of the video. Obviously, you can pause the video at any time. After you've watched the video, open up SPSS and perform the actual analyses. If you need to, you can return to the video to re-watch, but hopefully you'll remember the analyses and you can simply perform them. Then return to, now let me open up the lab assignment, return to the lab assignment, and at the end of the lab assignment is where you will type your answers. You may also be expected to copy data from your output. So here, let me copy this table and put it in your lab. Once you've completed that, once you've completed all of the steps of the SPSS assignment, you can then save this and follow the instructions for labeling your assignment correctly. And now you're ready to submit it via Jupiter Grades. So let me return to the presentation. When you're ready to submit via Jupiter Grades, you're going to log into Jupiter Grades, navigate to the Grades screen, select the assignment from the list of assignments, and then upload your saved document. Again, let me demonstrate that for you. So in Jupiter Grades, and I've already logged in, you navigate to the Grades screen for our class. You select the assignment. Well, if your session is timed out, you'll need to re-log in again. So navigate to the Grades screen, go to our class, and select the assignment. And then you'll upload the file. So in this case, you want to select from this computer, and then navigate to where you just saved the SPSS lab. Locate the lab, SPSS Lab 5, click Open, and note that you have now turned in your assignment. So those are the steps for viewing the video and completing the SPSS lab and submitting it. If you have any questions, obviously I would like for you to email me or call during my office hours. And I'll return to the presentation so that you have that information there. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a great day.